Ako si Maria Albert F. Mariquet, a teacher sa Zapatera Integrated SPED School. Teaching really, sir, is my passion. So, teaching man good, sir, is a mission. So, kung mission siya, therefore, daghang pagmatabangan ni tao. As you can see, blind man ko. Ay bagay akong work kasi makatabang man ko, sir, sa mga paringa pag ako. I'm proud to say, daghan na sa dyan ko natabangan ng mga students before na karon nahimo na po silang professional. Being a blind, sir, is dili siya hindrance para sa success. Mao dyan na akong motto in life, sir. Dili dyan na siya hindrance to success. Teaching, sir, is a noble profession, teacher, sir. Okay, I would like to say happy Teachers Month to all the teachers in the world. Uy!